Australian Sunset Safaris customers, I'm going to be taking you guys to the bus station. If you are coming from the Brisbane city over this side, you guys will actually follow down this way. As you can see, we have a green sign right here, as well as going past these bikes. If you are going this way, you're going the right way. Just keep on following me this way, guys. Alright, Sunset Safaris customers, as we are coming up through these gates, you'll be collecting one of these. And make sure you do, so that way we can actually go through onto the other side. Reach the other side. Once we go through here, we're going to be going up some escalators, but just keep following this way, guys. Alright guys, we're almost there. We're going to keep on going over this way where the escalators are. As you can see, we're at platform 10. And you're going to keep on going all the way up until we reach the bus station. So keep coming this way, guys, up this way. Alright, Sunset Safaris, we have now arrived, guys. We're going to keep going over this way to the big orange truck where you can start your adventure to either the Fraser Island, Moreton Island, or the Great Barrier Reef.